everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my September Natalie Attired unboxing and try on. I'm really excited to get into this box. It's kind of heavy too. So that is promising. It is probably filled with fall clothing, which I'm really ready for. How about you? Ready to get into some sweaters and full-length jeans? I am. It's still warm here though. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I'm so glad that you're here. If you like women's fashion and unboxings, I sure hope you'll subscribe and join me for another video. Before I get into this box, I do want to address a little blowback I got on my last Natalie Attired review. Some of you thought I was a little harsh on Natalie Attired and the products that I received. So I want to address that because on this channel, you guys are always going to get my opinions. Just the opinions and thoughts of Kelly Shaffner. They're not facts, they're just mine. I also want to mention that I do understand. I have been opening subscription boxes for a very long time, and I understand that using a style service is like having a personal shopper. I give them all the information about my likes and dislikes, my sizes, and as they style me month by month, they get to know me a little bit better. My stylist at Natalie Attired is exceptional. Annie is my stylist, and she is not afraid to send me pieces that are a little different, eclectic, unusual, and unique, and I really appreciate that. I think some of my other boxes kind of play it safe, and I have an extensive wardrobe, so I'm always looking for something just a little bit different to add to my wardrobe. So I love Natalie Attired. I really hope I didn't give the impression that I didn't like it, but you're always going to get my opinions about the value of the products versus the prices, because let's face it, well, for me, price always is a factor on whether or not I purchase a garment. And you've seen that before. You have seen me try on $300 sweaters that I fall in love with, but I can't bring myself to pay that much money for them. So it's the same thing, even in the lower priced clothing. I have to feel like it's a good value and money well spent. So if you are still interested, stick around and let's see what Natalie Attired sent me this time. All right, here's the inside of the box. It's always wrapped really beautifully, and there's always a handwritten note from my stylist. She says, "Hi Kelly, I hope you like the outfits I have curated for you. They are perfect for transitioning into fall. Love watching your videos. Happy fall, Annie. P.S. These pants look super cute with booties." Okay, that's good to know. So Annie, thank you for watching my videos. That means the world to me. Okay, then on the top, the invoice, which I'm not gonna look at because I want to experience the clothing. Oh gosh, I see something beautiful already. They do enclose a return mailer. If I want to return anything, I just put it in here, drop it off at the post office. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I broke the bundle again. I broke the bundle. Let me see if I can get it out. This is it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have. Now, they do this a lot at Natalie Attired. Oh, I love this cardigan. But what I was going to say, they often put a matching or a complementary blouse inside a jacket or a cardigan. I love this cardigan. This is by Miracle, this cardigan. And look at this. Look at that texture. Oh, this is so nice. It's a little bit longer length, which I really appreciate. Let's see what's inside. Inside is a cream-colored V-neck. Very nice. A one-pocket tee. I like that. Did I tell you I love this cardigan? I sure hope it fits. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Just black denim. And what is this? A crop fringe. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Annie. Oh, Annie, you are speaking my language here. This is exactly what I love. Oh, I hope these fit. Are they stretchy? They're just black. Of course they're stretchy. Yes, looking good. Okay, what do we have? Calvin Klein. Very nice. This is black, and it's got kind of a green and a little violet in it. This is very pretty. Let's see the sleeves. Oh, love it. I love the sleeve detail. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. And then the last thing we have here is another pair of just black denim. And these are black. And these are a skinny. So these are very clean. These are the cigarette pant. So they're going to be pretty skinny, I'm guessing, called a cigarette pant. Okay, everything looks really great. I hope everything fits just as good as it looks. I'm getting some new clothes. I've tried everything on. I can't wait to share it with you. The question is, what should I get? Now, with Natalie Attired, they have a fabulous discount program. You don't have to purchase everything to get your discount. There is a $20 styling fee. And if you purchase one item, you get your styling fee credited towards that one piece that you purchase. But if you purchase 3 or 4 items, you get a 20% discount. If you purchase everything, you get a 30% discount. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out the math right now. I could really use your input. My husband really likes one outfit. I really like the other outfit. I'm going to share my husband's favorite outfit first. And it starts with the Calvin Klein top. This is such a beautiful top. Now, if you've been watching me for any length of time, you know I love a sleeve detail. This is done so nicely. Cut a little bit higher and then it kind of comes down. And so, you know, when I wear cool sleeve detail like this, I try to move my arms as much as possible and let the blouse come to life. It's a pretty simple top, a beautiful print. I didn't mention that it does have blue in it. I can wear a pastel. They don't normally look good on me, but if you put it on a black background, I can rock pastel. So I love this top. The sleeve is a little bit sheer and this blouse is fully lined. You see that lining there? Yeah, that's awesome. This is really a nice quality blouse. It's $69. That's exactly what I would expect to pay for a Calvin Klein. My husband likes this one. I like this one. This one is staying with me. Just black denim. These are the black cigarette pant, and I do have black denim, and I'm a little bit nervous about this cigarette style because I feel like it is a really slim leg. It was just hugging my knees and I feel like it makes my legs look chubby. My husband likes these. They're $72. They're very, very comfortable. I do like these because they are very long. Now, these, the cigarette pants and the really long denim, I love to wear these with a high heel. Annie told me to try them on with a bootie, but I tried them on with a slide. Kind of looks like a bootie. What did you think about that look? Because a lot of my booties have a little bit taller shaft, so I'm never sure if I should tuck the pants in, how to wear them out, you know what I'm talking about. So these are $72. The thing about black pants, when you wash them, they fade. So it is nice to refresh and get a brand new super black pair of black pants for the season. I just don't know if these are the ones because I did feel a little bit self-conscious about how tight they were around my knees and legs. What did you think? Okay, I don't know. My husband wants me to keep these, but these are the ones I'm uncertain about. The next thing I tried is just the basic V-neck pocket tee, and this is by the brand 00. And okay, it's called the Miracle Medium. That's very clever. This is a rayon spandex t-shirt. It's so soft, and you guys know I don't care for rayon unless it is blended, and this feels so incredibly soft. It is a little bit sheer, but you know why I want this? Because it is a great layering piece to wear underneath sweaters and even to wear under the cardigan that she sent. It's really a very silky t-shirt. It's $24. The price is right. Yeah, I'm going to keep this because I have a white t-shirt, but I don't have a cream color short sleeve. I do have long sleeve, and these are just so very nice for layering. Again, it's nice to refresh come fall, and I'm set. The crop fringe pants. These are in the color Merlot, because some of you might be wondering, didn't you just pick up a pair of plum pants? And I did, some cut from the cloth. The style is very, very different, and this is actually more red. Those pants that I just bought have more of a purple hue to them. I love these. Again, they're a little slim fitting through the leg, and they have lint on them from the t-shirt and the sweater, but I love these. $72. They are so cool. When I wear these, my mother is going to think I look like a scarecrow, but I think this is a very trendy hemline. I love them. I do have some denim like these, and the only thing about pants like these with these funky hems is I don't dry them because the fringe gets messed up. So I take them out of the washer and I actually kind of brush the fringe so that it will always look fabulous like this and have movement when I wear them. This was such a good pick, Annie. I love these. I asked my husband and he said, yeah, they're great. And I don't think he meant it. I think he really likes the look of the black pants better than these. But guys, you know I need these. I love these. And these look so great with the cardigan. The fabulous cardigan, again, is by the label Miracle, which I'm not familiar with, but I love it. I love the texture. Now, the tag says there is some pink in this. You can see it. And I'm sure the pink would stand out more if I wore pink, but to me, even though it's kind of burgundy, I see red in this. Okay, it's not red. It's more of that Merlot color with some pink and white in it, and it's so cozy. It has 2 pockets. It's wonderful. This one fits me perfect. I love it. It's $59. Doesn't it look great with the pants? And even the t-shirt. I think that is such a great fall outfit, but this is going to take me well into the winter. This is a pretty heavyweight cardigan. Unfortunately, it might be even a little bit too heavy for me to wear like in church today. If I had to go to church today, I would probably reach for a lighter weight cardigan, but I cannot live without this. This one is fabulous. So what is the grand total? If I was to keep every single thing in this box, the grand total is $296. Okay, that sounds like a lot of money, but mind you, there are 2 pairs of denim, a great cardigan, a Calvin Klein top, and a basic tee. But if I keep everything, I get the 30% discount, which brings the total of this box to $193.20. Okay, you guys know I'm not that crazy about the black pants. So if I only buy the 4 pieces that I'm nuts about, that brings my total to $179.20 because I get a 20% discount. Okay, but you just heard those totals. $179.20 for 4 pieces, or I can pay $14 more and have all 5 pieces. Okay, what do? I can't wait to hear your comments. This was a fabulous box. I'm very happy with it. Maybe I'm just ready to start adding fall pieces to my wardrobe, and Annie did such a fabulous job of picking pieces, like I said, that really fit my style and my personality. I highly recommend that everyone try Natalie Attired. And request my stylist. Annie is her name because she does a dynamite job. If you would like to try Natalie Attired for yourself, or you just want more information, I have left everything you need to know about the service in the description box below. If you use my referral link, I will get a little bit of credit, and thank you to everyone that uses my links. You support the Kelly Shaffner channel by using my links, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You're awesome. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Please let me know what you think about the clothes. I love chatting with you about the products I receive. So I have more clothing to share with you. Make sure that you're subscribed, and if you tap the bell, then you'll get a notification every single time my videos upload. I don't want you to miss any of them. I don't want to miss you. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Hey, would you give this video a thumbs up? Thank you so very much. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to you.